In the last video, I showed you how to use Canva's AI image generation feature. You remember you put your prompt here in the box, and then you could generate, and it generates images for you. I also showed you this site Lexica as basically a cheat code to get some decent images. So what we did was we clicked here. We can change this to Stable Diffusion 1.5, which is the same thing that Canva uses. And then you can find a style that you like and then copy that prompt. But one of the things that you may have found was that some of the prompts can be quite long. So for instance, here's one that's quite long, pretty cool looking dragon. If I go copy this prompt and I go back to Canva and then I attempt to put that in here, okay, Control V, you'll see it actually cuts off the prompt. Now there's a hack that you can use if you're using Google Chrome so that you can fit the entire prompt in. So I'm just going to Control Z to get out of that, and what we're going to do is we're going to let this field be able to accept as much text as we want. So let's right click, we're going to go inspect, and then that's going to bring up the code for the web page, and you'll see here that if we click on this, go inspect here, it shows us the code for this input box, and you can see the max length here is 280 characters. So if we double click on that, we can change it to 1000, and now if we close this, go to enter our prompt, it'll fit the entire prompt in, and we can go generate, and it'll go ahead and generate our 4 images based on the complete prompt. And then you can see here it's created some great images. So I'm going to put those into my new thumbnail for this video. Can use this one too. And then while we're here, I want to show you another great site that I found with some great presets, and that site is called openart.ai. It's similar to Lexica in that it gives you the prompts that are used for each of the images. You can also search, so we can search for let's search for The Witcher. So for instance, so we can see here if we search for The Witcher, there's some great prompts for Geralt that you can use. But it also has this cool feature where you can select prompt preset, and here it shows a number of preset styles that you can use. And so if you're using Canva, you might want to use this for art for your Etsy products or your t-shirt business, or even your sticker business. So for instance, here's a preset for cute stickers. You can select that, and it's got here the prompt that's used, and you just need to replace the object in brackets with the item that you want to produce, whether it's a lemon, a Pokemon, etc. Now this particular site, OpenAI Art, is also an image generator, so they give you a number of free credits in order to generate images, and you can use that as well. So for instance, if we wanted to use this, we just hit remix. We would sign in. Here's some ones that I did earlier, and we just paste in our prompt, which is die cut cute stickers, and we're just going to replace the object. So we might do ice cream cone. And then we can go create. And there you go. And there you go, it's produced some ice cream type stickers. You can also change the config down here. We can increase the number of images to 4. Go create. While it's doing that, let's go back over to Canva and insert our prompt in here, and let's put robot and go generate. And there we go, it's created our cute robot sticker that we can put in here. Let's do it again. We'll change this to ice cream. And let's do one more. Do dinosaur. Okay, that one's not too bad. Let's do that one. And what about boy or superhero? About Superboy. So as you can see, you can create some pretty cool presets. If we go back here, we can see our ice creams have generated. But there's plenty of great presets here, from felt objects to cute stuffed animals. To surreal micro worlds. Let's do volcano. That sounds pretty good. Let's do a remix. With volcano. And that's how you can force Canva to take longer prompts.